You right? It's good, is it? Okay. Watch your fingers.
Put on.
What? Oh, yeah. You're going to have none for your burger. How about I'll chop that tomato up. You make 2 patties. What are you doing?
Put on.
Watch your fingers. Watch your fingers. Oh.
No,
What? What?
don't get there first.
You're going to have none for your burger. You're a nut. You've got to make the patties to put in the fry pan. So get one of those chopping boards over there to put them on. And you've got to make 2 patties to put on the burgers. One for me and one for you.
There.
Perfect.
Mum.
Alright, now you need another one.
Oh, what the?
Oh,
What is that there?
oh, these are wet.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Ready, make another one.
Oh, did that, Mum?
Perfect, mate. Perfect. Rightio, carry this over there and you've got to put it in the fry pan now. What? Now, I'll turn it down a bit to see how you go.
Mum, look at that.
What? That's the eggs.
Oh, there.
Oh, that's a struggling cockroach.
Get
Get that out of the way. Whoa.
Oh, no, shit, no.
We don't want that in our burger, do we?
Hey, no, Mum. Oh, my God, Mum.
Be careful, that's hot. That's it. Good
What the
job.
hell was that?
What? That's your iPad, is it?
I don't know.
Sounded like a Thomas whistle. Have you got Thomas playing?
What? What the hell is that? Yeah, there you go.
Is that 2?
Yeah.
Is that 2 plates?
No, one. And mine. Right.
Good job. Let's put our rolls on there. Can you open them? Just open them.
What's this?
No, open them like a chip packet.
It's right here.
Just open it like a chip packet.
Yeah. What?
One for Brian, one for Mum.
Mum.
Alright, you better check your patties. They might need flipping over. Good job. That's it. Good work, mate.
That's it, Mum.
2 wins, mate. Oh, goodness me. You right? Careful, that's hot, remember.
Hey, Mum.
Mums, yep. Oh, you need to put some lettuce on yours. Alright, now you need to cook the egg.
Egg, yeah.
Yep. That's it. Good job.
Your phone ring. Your phone ring.
My phone? No, my phone's not ringing. Good job.
Got this on, put the meat on, got it on.
Some meat on, tomato.
Whoa.
That's
Look at
it.
yours.
Yep, thank you.
Let's go.
Good work. Let's go.
Check.
Yeah, we burnt them a little bit.
Alright. Oh. Oh. Oh, God.
How'd you get your mouth even round though?
What the hell?
What the hell? Oh no, put it back on the plate and we'll fix it up. That looks pretty good, Ryan. What do you reckon?
Mm-hmm.
It's good. It gets a thumbs up.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Thank you for energy.
Good boy.
Okay.
Let's go.